What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. I forgot my own name. Guys, we're going to be talking about Shibarium in this video. The reason why we're going to be talking about Shibarium is because the 14th is supposed to be a significant date, right? Everybody talked about this whole statement that Satoshi made talking about a heart-shaped box with a bow. And people were like, oh, Valentine's Day. Shibarium's going to get released on Valentine's Day. But I've come and said that I don't think it would be a good idea to release Shibarium 1 in a down market. Two, to not have any type of advertisements or marketing behind this whole entire thing, because the bigger you make it, the bigger you see the growth in not only Shibarium, not only Shiba Inu or Bone, but in the entire crypto market, right? This is a big play, right? Shiba Inu is a huge play. Shibarium is a huge thing. Bone is big as well. It's not huge, but it's okay. Leash as well. So you're seeing a lot of things that could be affected by this. So seeing Shibarium and seeing it launched is a huge thing. So why not make it bigger, right? Why not hype this thing up a bit? So a lot of people are talking about, what's going to be the news tomorrow, today, what's going to happen, on the 14th. Are we going to see just some coming soon news? Are we going to see something, released? Are we going to see beta, released, or what are we going to see? Anything, right? Just give us something. Are we going to see something? Are we going to hear something? So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That was an intro that was just all over the place. But guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel quite a bit. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, you can definitely follow me on Twitter at PerryAK. You can follow me there. Don't forget about my Patreon. The link is in the description, as well as all of my referral links that are down below. Which are for Webull, for KuCoin, for Crypto.com, maybe Coinbase as well. So definitely check those out down below. Now, if anybody's still here after that weird intro that I had that was all over the place, we're going to be talking specifically about Shibarium and what's going to happen within the next day or so. Are we going to see any type of information that comes out? Just to spoil the whole thing, the whole video, I don't believe that anything will come out. Now, I'm not saying that 100% it will not happen, because I've seen their announcements before and they've released things without any type of notice, without any type of hype, without anything that surrounds advertising at all. Like, they don't even have a advertising team or marketing team. Like, do they have anybody in place there that's doing anything, or are they just staring at a screen not doing anything? Because I feel like they just don't do a good job in keeping the hype train rolling, especially with over 3 million followers on Twitter. They don't really do a great job there. So I wouldn't say that it cannot happen. I just don't believe that it should happen. So I'm going to say that it's not going to happen. We're not going to see Shibarium release out of nowhere. We're not going to see, a launch of this platform. We're not going to see, everything start to run because of it. We may see things start to run off of speculation of what's going to happen, but nothing that's related to Shibarium releasing, in my opinion. Now, I put something out on Twitter, basically asking people, like, what's the news, or what news do you think we will get about Shibarium on the 14th or tomorrow? And there's a lot of people that came back with some things, right? It's probably going to be a buying opportunity. However, USTC is up over 15%. That's great to see. Honestly, I don't think it will be this year. You don't think it'll be in 2023? I mean, that's crazy. If it's not released in 2023, then that's just going to be insane, right? It has to be released at some point this year. If it's middle of the year, it'll be okay, right? Second quarter, it'll be okay. But third quarter, fourth quarter, it starts to get to like, oh, well, you didn't even have it close to ready. Like, I know you're just looking to gain something out of it. If they're looking to do it just in a bull market, which you should do everything in a bull market, it kind of gives that picture, or paints that picture like, oh, like they're only doing it just to make money out of it. And maybe that's true. Maybe that's 100% true. So anyways, not much, to be honest. I guess it'll be sell the news. I've been hearing soon for the last year, maybe in maybe in my grandchild's lifetime, they'll see it. Um, I mean, possibly. Shibarium, that Shibarium is coming soon. That's probably it. I mean, we see that every single day that Shibarium is coming soon. So, with all of that said, are we seeing any type of movement to Shiba Inu? Well, Shiba Inu is down 5%. Right, it's at 0.00001238. Just to give you an update, we're seeing an increase in volume, but we're seeing things that are falling. And this is kind of on the news of what's happening with BUSD. So it's not really to say that it's only Shiba Inu that's getting affected. There are some things that are looking positive, like they said, USTC was making a move. But let's look at Bone really quick and see what Bone is doing. So Bone is down by 6% as well, down by 7% basically. Seeing an increase in volume, $9 million in volume that's flowing through Bone. If we also look at Leash here, everything in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, we're going to see that Leash is also down by 7%. So nothing is really seeing any type of positive moves in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. And I expected to see something because of the thought that we would see this whole um, phrase or sentence come to life. Heart-shaped box with a bow. Valentine's Day, Shibarium is going to be released. We're going to get some type of news. Maybe we'll get a base fee for Bone, what it will be. Maybe we'll get the amount that we'll burn off for Shiba Inu. Something, right? If you're going to put out some sort of cryptic message, then we need to see something that happens on that date. And to tell you the truth, I don't think anything is going to happen. I think we're going to see just standard information that comes through with Shiba Inu. And if things do get released, I'll admit that I'm wrong, but I'll also admit or confirm that they are the worst marketers in the world because they literally had nothing that was hyping this up, nothing that pushed Shiba Inu forward, nothing that pushed Bone forward. I mean, Bone kind of was moving a little bit. With the added supply that it did have, and then seeing Leash as well. So you saw some things that were making some moves in more of a bullish market, but now that things aren't bullish, things aren't moving. So I don't know. What do you think is going to be tomorrow? Do you think we're going to see a Shibarium release, or do you think we're going to see a base fee? We're going to see the burn rate. We're going to see how much the projections are, the expected burns. What are we going to see? Right, that's what I want to know. What are we going to see? So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. If you guys want to check out my Patreon, feel free to check that out, which I have a lot of stuff over there. I have a lot of educational content. I do plan on doing a couple of like courses that are mainly on YouTube, but in certain levels of the Patreon. We have two courses that are coming soon, really to talk about like crypto trading 101, whether you're focusing on swing trading or day trading or long-term investing, and then also more day trading, within the stock market. And it could be even within the crypto market. Maybe we can break that down. I'm trying to really structure it the right way, but we have them planned and we're going to record them. And what we're going to do is put them on YouTube in private. And then they're only going to be able to be viewable on Patreon. And you're going to have a list or you're going to have a link to that list if you are a part of that Patreon level. And if you are not a part of that Patreon level, you will not get the link to that. And, we'll go from there. And if things do start to get like shared outside the Patreon level and all that stuff, we will shut it down and find a way to only introduce it to those Patreon levels that are there. So if you guys want to be a part of it, feel free to go over to Patreon, go over to Discord. You can talk to me over there in private messages. I answer every one of them that comes across. So feel free to ask away. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the referral links for KuCoin, for Crypto.com, for Webull, definitely check those out. The links are in the description. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.